If I look at it a little bit more architecturally, legacy order management systems are applications sitting on top of a database. And a central problem is they demand to be the system of record. Everything has to come through them. And the integrations from the OMS to third-party systems, many times there are dozens of connections to selling channels, to back office systems of record, to fulfillment. If any one of them breaks, right, if UPS changes their API, that becomes every single user of that OMS's problem to go fix it. And as we've seen with Shopify, they've been making changes for months to their APIs, breaking changes as they switch over to GraphQL.
Yep.
And we have a full-time engineer just doing that. What's key about our approach is we're network-centric. We approach connectivity from a network centricity standpoint. And the benefit of that is we make these changes in one place. And we also don't have to be the system of record. And we can be, and sometimes we are. What's great about a network-based approach is if we're pushing out inventory updates to every node in the system that needs to subscribe to the data, we're approaching this not from an app connected to a database standpoint that has to be the center of the world. Instead, it's much more of a Stripe approach or an abstraction layer over the top of a giant network.
Yeah. That's the ask, right? It's moving away from that N-tier architecture mindset of basically saying it's a commerce system, then the OMS, and the fulfillment system, and then everything's got to flow back through or add an ERP in between, where is that abstraction orchestration residing to manage all of those pieces? And we looked at the problem. Where's the opportunity? There are, at an enterprise level, or also now, very easily accessible, lots of iPaaS, right? Like integration platforms as a service that can take A and connect to B. Great. The true game changer is when you combine with the iPaaS the capability to say, now I have that data domain understanding. I know what an order actually means. It's not just a translation. That changes so much of your business, but I still act all around me to be able to integrate into anything and be able to plug into anything. You can use me not just to pass the order through. One of the areas that annoys me a lot is the fact that if I want to make a commitment on my shopping channel, right, that if you place an order right now, it will be done by X point. Most of the traditional systems have had a difficulty doing that. What Amazon was able to do is that abstraction and orchestration being missing. It's like going from commerce down to where is my inventory, doing a soft allocation, coming back up, saying, okay, now I can make a commitment, take that commitment, pass it down, and then make sure that commitment's kind of flowing through. So who's doing that orchestration? N-tier does not solve for that, no matter what you do.